This 2024 K-Z Sportsmen SE 332 BHK is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Fort Worth, Texas, 76140 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new K-Z is 37 feet 3 inches in length and features Sleeps 11, LP detector, spare tire kit, microwave, auxiliary battery, skylight, external shower, water heater, smoke detector, carbon monoxide detector, refrigerator, and 45 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, bunkhouse, front bedroom, front entertainment, front living area, mid-kitchen, outdoor kitchen, rear bath, rear bedroom, rear dinette, 2 bedrooms, 2 entry, exit doors, U-shaped dinette. The unloaded weight of this 2024 K-Z Sportsmen SE 332 BHK is 7,440 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.